Fire roasted salsa. We're going to do this right on top of these coals. First thing we're going to do is about a half a white onion. We'll just get that right in. Next, we're going to get some tomatoes. Everything's been washed, of course. And the same goes for the jalapenos. Right in there, cooking away. So what we're going to do is we're going to have some raw elements, and we're going to have some cooked elements. The raw elements are going to give it a nice little crunch when you're biting into that, chewing into that salsa. We're going to have some raw tomatoes. We're going to have some diced up red onions. This is just standard strainer, all stainless steel. Put the garlic right inside there, and we're going to rest that in right on the coals as well. And it's going to soften up that garlic. And that rechargeable fan can come in handy again. We're going to use this fan to sort of get those coals bumping and bopping again. It's a constant dance. Chase the hot spots with everything you got to cook. Spread it around, move it around. We can see here these tomatoes are just starting to bubble and blister. They're really starting to warm up on the inside. Here's our garlic, nicely charred. Now we see that onion's getting a good cook. We'll put that right inside that strainer. The garlic here is ready. It's going to get mashed right in with this salsa and bring some next level flavor. We'll get the avocados in. They're next. This is what's going to thicken our salsa. This is going to help give it a little bit of body. We'll give this lime a slice and get some nice flavor in there. Just want to mash those down. Break them up. You want to break them up, get that garlic mixed in with it. We're going to use one of my favorite spices, Mexicana spice from Newlanders Meat Shop. This here is a spice you need to go out and get. Shake it in. Salt, pepper, bunch of great spices in there. You don't need to add anything else. Now the tomatoes. How do we deal with the tomatoes? So the trick with the tomatoes is you just want to kind of peel off what you can. If you don't get it all off, it's okay. Just a rough chop, just like this. Just a rough chop. So the peppers, you can see the skin is just going to scrape right off. I'm going to take the seeds out, but leave the white flesh in there. I just chop that up, give that all a good fine dice. Those 2 jalapenos and tomatoes done. Then we'll come back to the onion. So we'll just cut the ends off. This is probably the easiest way to get that skin off. Cut those ends, set them to the side, and you can just see peel until you don't see it's too dark. And we just want to slice this up the same as we've done everything else. Give it a good chop. We'll get that right in the bowl. We'll get ourselves a little rack. We'll put that in on top of the coals. 50-50 corn, wheat tortillas. All right, so where are we at now? We have a beautiful salsa, and then we're just going to amplify it with those raw tomatoes and then those raw red onions mixed in. So now we just want to give this a loose stir, and then we need to give it a taste. I hope you can see all the chunks. Ooh, jalapenos are delicious. Finished with a can of black beans and topped with pickled onions.
Oh, what a fine finish. Cheers. Oh, the pickled onions finishes it off perfectly.